Welcome to the first vintage hairstyling tutorial for the series of Femme Fatale Fall. In this episode, I'll be doing a Lauren Bacall pin curl setting pattern and brush out to show you how you can style your hair just like Hollywood icon Lauren Bacall. To start out, I am sectioning my hair with a 4-inch wide bang section where I will create rows of pin curls. These rows will consist of standing pin curls rolled backwards or away from the face. For reference, I will have the setting pattern linked below. And if you haven't seen my Lauren Bacall roller tutorial, I will link that here as well. The setting pattern is actually quite simple and consists of 2 rows of pin curls that go around the base of the hairline. I'm applying some setting lotion in a spray bottle mixed with water to the first section of hair, combing it through until it's nice and smooth. I'm pulling the hair strands towards my face to get the most body and volume when I roll. Of course, you can use your fingers to roll up your pin curls. I just prefer to use a tool. To create the pin curls for the top section, I'm using the pin curl sculpture tool. Guide the roll carefully off the tool and place a bobby pin through the center, only securing the bottom of the curl. You do not want to flatten the top part of the curl. For a stronger hold, you can crisscross 2 bobby pins. I'm going to repeat the same process throughout the bang section. Since my head is more narrow, I only did 3 rows of pin curls, but you can do 4 if you need to, just like in the setting pattern. Once you are done with your bang top section, you can begin the side section. Create your hair parting behind the ear, and then form 2 hair sections. I'm going to be using the Roll and Go hair tool to make slightly larger pin curls for the bottom of the hair. These pin curls will lie flat on the head, and you can secure it in place with 1 or 2 bobby pins. For the left side of the face, we'll be forming 2 pin curls above the ear. These pin curls will eventually follow the base of the hairline all the way to the other side. For the other side, create your hair parting going behind the ear and form those sections for your pin curls. If you'd rather roll horizontal sections, I recommend placing that top piece and pin it aside with a duckbill clip. If you do have a smaller section of hair, you can use a smaller pin curling tool or roll just a little bit tighter. The right side of the face will mirror the left, depending on how deep your hair parting is. Once you have your first few pin curls, you can begin to take sections from underneath to work your way back, continuing that double row of curls. It can get a little tricky doing the pin curls around the back of your head, so just be patient and try to keep things as even and symmetrical as possible. You may end up with more of a lower pile of pin curls and not exactly 2 rows, but that's okay too. To finish off the set, I'm adding a hairnet as well as a scarf for sleeping. This can be a little tricky with the standing pin curls, so I'm trying not to flatten them, but they're definitely going to get a little bit of pressure from my bandana. Now that our hair set is complete, we can let it dry overnight. So now it is the next day. I've got some Lauren Bacall inspired makeup on, and I'm ready to take all the bobby pins out. I'm applying a little bit of my American Crew medium pomade. And to brush out the curls, I'm using the Denman D3 7-row styling brush. And to follow the brush out instructions, we're going to brush out the hair vigorously to give it a fluffier effect. And to shape and smooth the hair, I'm using my Denman finisher brush. Now that the base of the hair is mostly brushed through, I'm going to add that bang section. First brushing out the curls with the D3 styling brush, and then I'll be applying the finisher brush as well. Because this was a more looser pin curl set, it shouldn't take forever to brush out like your typical roller set, especially because those pin curls around the base were a bit more medium to large in size. To add some shaping to the bang section, I'm going to smooth it back with a comb and add some duckbill clips to reinforce those waves. To set the style, I'm using my Moroccan Oil medium hairspray. Once we remove the duckbill clips, we will have a completed Lauren Bacall hairstyle that you can pair with your favorite vintage hat. I'm wearing a black beret to go with my 1940s suit dress. And for a more casual ensemble, I'm wearing a 1950s gray pleated skirt with a sleeveless black mock neck top. I hope you enjoyed my Lauren Bacall inspired tutorial, and you'll come back for my next video soon.